Hello friends, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about one of the ultimate planet of astrology. The planet name is Venus, which is linked with your marriage life, happiness of your marriage, life partner, your spouse, your all-around success related to your materialistic comforts, materialistic gains. So Venus is going to change our sign from Cancer to Leo from 29th of September 2020 to 23rd of October 2020. This change will bring a lot of positive things for lots of ascendants. You know very well, my all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign, and all based on Indian Vedic astrology. So let's talk for the Aries ascendants. For Aries ascendants, from 29 September 2020 to 23rd of October 2020, Venus enter in your fifth house, which is a house of love, romance, kids. If you are in love affair, your love relationship will turn in long lasting relationship like marriage, or your family will give you green signal related to your marriage life. And those relative who are already married, they will enjoy a lot of pleasure with our spouse, and this you will spend some quality time with your family and spouse. This time will brings a lot of financial gains. You will enjoy lot of comforts. You will enjoy a lot of quality time with your family and friends. All around Venus transit in your fifth house will bring lot of passion in you related to your spouse and related to your marriage life. Guys, you need to be focused on your professional life as well. Those native who are already doing any type of intraday or any type of stock market work, they will surely blessed with a good profit during this transit of Venus in your fifth house. And those native who are doing any kind of job, they will get success to fulfill our targets, and your seniors will satisfy from your performance in your workplace. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. Taurus ascendants for you, Venus is your ruling planet, which is going to transit in your fourth house. Your happiness will rise. You will enjoy a lot of quality time with your family and friends, and your health will be fine, and some unexpected gains will knock you. And this is a time when you get promoted, because Venus seventh aspect is on your 10th house, which will bring lot of financial gains and promotion or increment in your workplace or your job or your profession. This is a time when you will bless from your mother's side. Your mother show a lot of affection related to you, and your relationship with your mother will be ultimate. This is a time when you will be top and sky high. Your all desires will be fulfilled, and you will enjoy all type of comforts related to materialistic life. Unexpected gains will knock you. Your savings will rise. You will enjoy all type of comforts, and you will enjoy a lot of mental peace during this transit. You may met some new friends. They will suggest you something big related to your professional life or related to your personal life. And if you apply that friend advice, you will definitely shine a lot, because Venus is a planet of a player. Venus is a planet of entertainment and enjoyment. So when Venus transit in your fourth house, you will bless with lot of good comfort and mental peace, because Venus is ruling planet for Taurus ascendants. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants. For Gemini ascendants, Venus is transit in your third house from your ascendants, which will bring a lot of confidence in you. You will enjoy a lot of benefits through siblings, and those relative who are unemployed may get job. This is a time when you will get success all around, and your health will be fine. You will enjoy all type of comforts. Your family will support you. Your younger siblings will support you, and you will get some profit through your journeys. Some long distance journey and some short distance journeys are seen. Those native who are involved in any type of online profession or any type of internet related work or communication related work, they will get success, and they will enjoy a lot of benefits during this period. Your savings will rise, your fortune started smile for you, and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. This is a time when your hard work will convert in great success. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer ascendants. Cancer ascendants for you, Venus transit in your second house. This is a time when you enjoy all type of happiness with your family and friends. Your savings will rise, and your eating habits will increase, and you will enjoy all type of comforts related to your family life. You will enjoy materialistic gains as well. This is a time when your family will support you. You will enjoy all type of comforts, and this is a time when you will be sky high and top. And you will start some learning, because Venus seventh aspect is on your eighth house. You may start some astrology learning. You may start some occult science or mantra siddhi type, any type of learning you may start during this transit. This time will brings a lot of mental peace and lot of enjoyment for you. Now I'm going to talk about Leo Ascendants. For Leo Ascendants, Venus is transit in your first house. This is a time when your all pending work will click, your professional life will be grow, and you will enjoy a lot of cash flow. This is a time when your spouse will help you. You will enjoy all type of comforts, and your family and your spouse will become biggest supporter of your life. And unexpected financial gains will knock you. Your bank balance, your bank will with full of money, your pocket is full with full of money. This is a time when you will be sky high and top. Leo, you will enjoy all type of comforts and benefit during this transit. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo Ascendants. Virgo Ascendants, you need to be careful about unexpected expenditures will irritate you. You may involve in any type of litigation during this transit. Venus transit in your 12th house will increase your expenditures on your enjoyment, on your pleasure, on your foreign journeys, on your any type of journeys related to your entertainment. But you need to be careful. This is not a right time to spend some over spending. So keep money in your bank account, or keep money in your savings for your bad days, and try to avoid some over expenditures. But Venus will give you lot of chance to spending some money of entertainment, enjoyment, pleasure, and long distance journey. And those native who are doing any type of import export work, they will get a lot of good profits, and they will enjoy a lot of benefits during this transit, because Venus will be 12th house, will give you a lot of new contracts or orders from overseas if you are already doing any type of import export business. Now I'm going to talk about Libra Ascendants. For Libra Ascendants, for you, Venus will be in your 11th house. 11th house is a house of fulfillment of wishes and desire, social circle, friends, links with higher authority. So Venus in 11th house will give you lot of financial gains. You will enjoy all type of benefits. Your friends will support you, and you will get any type of support from higher authority, and your desires will be fulfilled. Your all type of wishes will be granted, and whatever you wish related to your professional life, related to your personal life, will be granted. And second positive event will happen during this time period, because Saturn is going to direct, which is ruling planet for Libra Ascendants. Venus and Saturn and Mercury, these both are ruling planet of Libra Ascendants. So Libra Ascendants, you will feel lot of blessings from the God side, and your spirituality will arise, because Venus transit in your 11th house, and you will enjoy your marriage life a lot. You will enjoy your good happy moment with your family, with your spouse, with your loved one. So now I'm going to talk about Scorpio Ascendants. Venus is going to transit in your 10th house, which will bring you lot of happiness, peace of mind, success, all around success. You will get new order from overseas, because Venus is linked with your 7th house and 12th house, transit in your 10th house, which will bring you lot of happiness, and you will get some unexpected gains from overseas land. And if you are already doing any type of import export business in foreign land, you will get a lot of blessings, and this is a time when you will be enjoy a lot of comforts, and your all desires will be fulfilled. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. You will enjoy a lot of business opportunities will knock you, and it is all up to you which opportunities you will avail in your life, and which is going to you drop. And this is a time when you get a lot of business opportunities from overseas land, and those native who are try to settle in foreign land, this is the ultimate days for you. Venus transit in your 10th house, because being a lord of your 7th and 12th house, transit in your 10th house, you may get some work permit, you may get some any type of job related to foreign land. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius Ascendants. For you, Venus is transit in your 9th house, which will bring a lot of good fortune for you. Those native who are unemployed may get job. Those native who are willing to start any business, this is the right time. You must start any new business. You will enjoy all type of comforts and benefit during this transit. Venus will be in 10th house, will give you a lot of financial gains. You will enjoy a lot of benefits. You will enjoy a lot of success during this period. And this is a time when your family and your spouse will supporting you. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn Ascendants. For Capricorn, Venus is going to transit in your 8th house, which will bring some mixed fruit for you. You need to be careful relationship with your spouse. But plus point is Saturn is going to direct in your 1st house during this time. So you will be better, John, compared to last 3-4 months, because Saturn is direct in your 1st house, and Venus will be in your 8th house, and 8th house Venus will create some problem in your personal life. You need to be humble and be calm with your personal relationship, because there's some type of dispute, or there is some type of, you may involve in any litigation with your spouse or with your loved one. So try to avoid any type of litigations, try to avoid any type of problem related to your love life. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendants, Venus will transit in your 7th house, which will bring you lot of financial gains. You may get new business opportunity, you may get new business partner. This is a time when you will be sky high and your old desires will be fulfilled, your daily income will grow, and you will enjoy a lot of comforts. You may meet some new people, they may become your business partner, and you may get some new opportunity related to your business, related to your job. If you are unemployed, you may get job. This is a time when your spouse will help you, but you need to be careful about your spouse health. This is a time because Venus will be in Leo sign. Leo sign is linked, Leo is linked with Sun, so Venus is not very much comfortable, but in a 7th house, which is Kal Purush own house of Venus, and it will bring you a lot of good moments with your spouse. So now I'm going to talk about Pisces ascendants. For Pisces ascendants, Venus will transit in your 6th house. You need to be careful to involve in any litigation. You need to be careful and alert while dealing new business partners. You need to be careful while signing any contract. This is a time when you will be confused and you will getting upset related to your business partner's performance or dealing with you. This is a time, keep yourself calm and try to be humble, and Venus may check your patience, but you stay positive and be happy. After 23rd of October, situation will be in your favor. All game will change once Venus change over sign. Overall, this is little bit testing time for you, but major dynamic is in your favor. So this you will pass this period very in a very happy and very positive zone. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Jai Hind.